You might have seen me cooking on the griddle recently. Well, tonight I don't really have time to bust that out and get it going. I'm gonna make some ribeye steak on the Schwank infrared grill. Now, low and slow is always the way to go, but sometimes you gotta go hot and fast because you like to feel the drive. I'm only gonna make one of these today. I got stuff to do. We have somewhere we have to be. My wife and I are in a little bit of a hurry, and she's kind of mad that I'm out here doing this, so pokey. Oh, just look at the marbling on that right there. This is the Schwank infrared grill. That burner up underneath there burns at 1,500 degrees. You like restaurant quality steak? This is gonna be the thing that's gonna get you there without paying the $80 price for the steak. So we're gonna make a steakhouse steak for $10. Meated. I like to use just a little bit of olive oil as a binder. Give that a quick rubbing. Salt, pepper, garlic is always the go-to, but I've been digging on the Steak King lately just because of convenience. Some dusting. If you go over, that's a little okay because you can always spread it out. Just make sure you pat that seasoning in real nice. A little Philadelphia. I'm down with a little amount of Earl. Some rubbins. Seasonings. Pat in. Throw a little bit down on the cutting board here. Then we're gonna roll seasonings. That way you get all sides generously coated. That right there is a well-seasoned steak in my opinion. Pay very close attention that I am not getting up underneath those burners, okay? This right here is a lot of people's favorite part, and I don't want you to miss out on it. Come down here and see the action. Ready? Press firmly into the burner. And we're gonna get this thing sizzle-kabanging momentarily. Slide her right in. Come over here, I wanna show you something. You can leave it here at the bottom, but it'll take forever to cook. The express way is to raise that puppy up to about level 5 and let it just hang out for about a minute. Now that we've spent about 30 seconds on that side, we're gonna roll her back down a little bit, bring out the drippy tray, bring out that nice fine piece of meat. For some reason, we're not sitting on the burner right. What's going on here? I don't know. I'll have to figure that out later. Probably use her. We're gonna give it a little Philadelphia here. You ready? All right. Put this on the other side. We'll slide old boy right back up in there. Slide the drip tray back. Are you ready to rumble? Here we go. Level 6. There she is. Throw this on the plates here. We're gonna let her rest a little bit. I think she looks delicious. What do you think? We're gonna hit this with a little bit of that salt, the thick stuff. Holster that in the pocket. Ready to take a look at that cross section? Remember, this steak was only on there for about 2-3 minutes. Ooh-wee, that's a medium rare right there if I ever saw one. This is literally one of my favorite ways to cook a steak, ever, period. From now till forever. Save your cast irons and steak houses for later. We did this at home. Oh, but this Roost Not So Chris over here. Ooh, don't do that. I need a nap. Gotta take the salt out of the holster. What, you think I was gonna let a video go by and not do it? Yeah. Oh, we switched from Diet Mountain Dizzle to Canada's Dry. Follow for more videos, I guess.